Hello everyone, welcome to the Technologies Wow YouTube channel. Today I will show you how can you record your computer screen. So let's get started. For this case you must have the internet connection. I have the internet connection and I use wireless. And just open your browser. In search box just type download fast stone capture for Windows 10. I use Windows 10. You can use any kind of Windows 7, Windows XP. Just download this. Click on the first link on this page, download fast stone recorder. This is the site. From here you can find .exe, site 2, zip file, portable file, and you can find the tutorial of this application. Click on download. Download is finished. It's just 3 MB and open this application. You can open it. Very nice. Click on next. I agree and install. I have already installed in my computer. I select on cancel because I have already installed my system. I want to cancel. You have to install this in your computer and minimize this page, and here fast stone capture recorder. Open this app. These are the features of this application. You can get a capture or other feature in this, and click on here screen recorder. When you click, this box will appear and you can select full screen without taskbar and other feature. I use full screen without and record. This preparing for recording screen recorder. It's opening the application. This box will appear. Start, and from here you can press F5 to zoom out or zoom in. Press F10 to resume or pass, and start. Click on start. Now the recording is started and now we are recording our screen. It's just now recording is starting. Press F10 to stop. From here you can save your video or your screen recorded. Choose a name, whatever, and save. This is our video that we recorded. Yes, very nice. It's so easy, and you can edit also with this application. It's beginner, it's not advanced. You can open your video and you can edit. Click on OK, and in here you can edit your video. It's totally for beginner and it's not advanced. Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video, and if you want more topics like this, just comment